Very good morning. Welcome all to this live session on stocks and symbols. Day in, day out, we had been explaining a lot of opportunities that are available on the stock market. We'd been sharing a lot of charts. We'd be sharing a lot of ideas, a lot of stock ideas. More than that, we were also sharing the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Now we are on first week of December. Now it's time for us to analyze how our analysis really made some impact to people and even the performance of those analysis on the charts. The point I want to draw here is if we take some time out every day with knowledge or without knowledge and have some view on the market using the charts, using the updates what we have, we can get great ideas. I'm going to show you the suggestions we had been sharing on stocks and symbols, Facebook page, and many other social media like LinkedIn. And you could see how these have really made a great impact among the traders and the followers on our page and on our group. I'm very much encouraged and very much happy that people are able to really use these ideas, do their homework, do all the necessary analysis, and take the trades with confidence and make money. This bull market has been very encouraging, but there are very few people who really make an impact on their account because of applications of these stock ideas, these charts, and these analysis, which really have impacted them a great extent. When there is a bull market, when there is a bear market, it is not necessary that people lose money or people gain money. It is their work, a simplified work, day in, day out, which can give great ideas and great confidence and great results. Come, let me show you the screen where the ideas what we have shared on the Nifty, Bank Nifty levels and how people could really make good of it. And also it has given a lot of happiness to us and also to our work, what we have carried out throughout the month of November. I'm just going to share my screen so that you can see what I have done for you. November recommendations, what we have carried out on our Facebook, LinkedIn, and many other areas. Mainly one need to understand when an idea, a suggestion is given, there's a high probability that that idea is going to work because they are based on certain principles of momentum, certain principles of technicals. And stock ideas, when they're selected understanding what sort of stock can really do well in the current scenario. I can just take a simple example. Generally, first week of every month, you generally get the performance of auto sales during the previous month, right? So first week an area where one needs to focus more on auto sector. In the last couple of days, we had suggested, that is in the first week of this December, we have suggested about Maruti. And we've been following up from almost last week of November. And Maruti has done extremely well in the last 2 days. And there are people who made money out of this particular suggestion and idea. The reason is when market is trending, there are so many sectors which catch up with the overall market. Now, let me show you this performance of, the November suggestions. Ashok Leyland, Biocon, Indraprastha Gas, Amara Raja, Tata Motors, LIC, Page Industries, MRF, Cummins, Sun Pharma, Infosys, AC Britannia, UPL, Tech Mahindra, Zee Entertainment. These are the total ideas which we have given in the month of November. And these are the profits and losses what people would have made if they have followed all the suggestions and traded in the futures. Now let us see what is a consolidated profit statement. So on 2nd November, 4th November, 9th November, and 10th November, 12th, 15th, 19th, 23rd, 25th, all these ideas were shared, and you could see the performance of this. The target is hit are more and the stop losses hit are less. And there are two positions which are still running. These are trades not just for intraday. It can be taking some more time because these are more based on daily charts. Very few are based on hourly charts. So what happens when we show you on a daily chart, it will take few days time to reach the target. So these are sort of a swing trades, right? And if you could see, out of almost 16 trades that have been suggested, 2 are running, that is we are still on that position, and 4 have hit the stop loss. So there have been some losses in the stop losses when we have done futures as per the suggestion given on this particular stocks, and the total profitability after taking into account the losses is coming to 3,42,000. And I'm very happy. Many of my students, many of the people who are following this, they have shared their profit statements. They have also, shared their, what do you call happiness about finding these ideas, because it is also strengthening their analysis and also helping them to find, the right stock, the right time, and the right entry and the right trade. That is what every one of us require. Now, somebody is not doing futures and options, and the same suggestions are taken on cash, that is buying these shares with each recommendation on which 1 lakh is invested. Let us say somebody is doing in cash market. The same suggestions, you could see Z Entertainment, Tech Mahindra, UPL, Britannia, Infosys, all these things, the same thing, if they have done investing 1 lakh, 1 lakh in each opportunities, 1 lakh in each opportunities, the performance will remain the same, only the profitability varies. It's about 47,240 rupees. Many a times, it is easy to show that, there's a huge profit here, but risk reward investment, the segment in which you trade the same idea, the profitability, the success rate generally will be slightly different, right? Because in futures, most of the people may not wait till the target. Some people may exit at the first target, and we are very clearly maintaining this particular, what you call, rule. We are giving around 3 to 4 targets when we are giving a suggestion with a stop loss. Once the first target is hit, and somebody who wants to go for the second or the third or the fourth target as per the suggestion, you need to trail your stop loss. That is, you should shift your stop loss. If you shift your stop loss to the entry point, you can write for the second target, third target, and fourth target and make money out of this particular idea. And the cash market has given a profit of 47,240 rupees. This is the profit a particular person would have done. Now, what we do when we are trying to, share this idea or knowledge, for example, we were talking about Infosys, right? So when we go to this particular trading terminal, you can just shift to this particular chart, make it full screen, right? And then find the demand zone, supply zone, and then try to find an idea where to enter, where to exit. And also you can also create some sort of a GTT orders which are available in the orders market here. You can just place a GTT orders for this particular stock, whichever you are looking at, so that you don't miss on the opportunity when the right level comes to enter. Because every one of us know that there's a psychological support which is at 1100, right? When it comes to 1100, the system can automatically take in this particular position and give you the right trade at the right level you are looking at. There are places where where people are getting this entry at the right time and making profit out of it. I can just share this particular idea where the person was very happy because he doesn't have to make so much of effort to make money, because you can see this particular trade here, bought Bajaj Finance with GTT order. Okay, Now this is the profitability. You can see the profitability here, how the GTT order is helping him to make money. When it comes to the right level, you could see the average cost came to 373 and the current price is 424. This 370, 373 is a 50 days moving average where the GTT order got triggered, and since it's a great entry point, he's still holding on to the granules position and is right now sitting on a profit of around 13.5% on his particular investment. So when you look at the charts, when you look at these particular situations, you can find the right entries and also follow these ideas which we are trying to share day in day out, including the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels where you can really make money. I can also share one more idea where one of our students has made some money on the Bank Nifty levels. We generally share regularly on what you call the market intelligence. You could see the Bank Nifty, which is traded yesterday. There's some profit of around 2,600 rupees. And when we give this particular market intelligence ideas, we generally share the Bank Nifty levels. And if you want to track these levels regularly, you can get into facebook.com/stocks and symbols, where we share the Nifty, Bank Nifty trading levels and also a lot of stock ideas based on momentum, based on the sector leadership, based on the stocks, which can guide people day in, day out, and put you in the right footing and the right. Hope this makes some good understanding for you to move forward. Please register to this facebook.com/stocks and symbols to get regular ideas on stock market.